Hi, my name is Kaylee Mitchie. A little bit about me. I'm currently living in Utah right now. I'm originally from Alaska. That's where a lot of my family still is at. It's one of my favorite places to go, so I go and visit as often as I can, which fortunately with COVID was not as often as I wish it could be. Some of my favorite places to go, I enjoy the mountains a lot. Growing up in the mountains, I enjoy hiking, being in the forest. Um, Favorite foods, I really like Italian food and I really like Vietnamese food. Um, I generally, as far as hobbies and that go, I do like enjoy, along with hiking, I do enjoy also reading, watching some new movies. Normally, fantasy genre is my favorite. Um, really like Shang-Li or Shang-Chi and the Ten Rings, that movie that just came out. Uh, Currently, I am in the shipping industry. I work for FedEx. And as for a career in the future, I'm still trying to figure that out. So, hey, it's a fun journey. Um, as far as grading categories with this course, I don't know if this is supposed to be in the video or if it's supposed to write it out, but I was thinking uh, having the semester long accountability project for me be like 20% of my grade, the weekly case study write ups be 30%, the weekly self assessments be 40%, and then the 360 be about 10%. So that was kind of my idea. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. And yeah, have excited for this course.